Today's video is going to be different than any I've done before. It is a see what I eat in a day video, so follow along to see what I actually eat, keeping in mind that it does actually change. Like 1 week recently we were eating mostly avocado toast for breakfast, and now it's kind of eggs. Sometimes it's like cereal for a week or two until I get tired of it. So yeah, this is not something I just eat like every day exactly the same thing. It varies a lot. But anyway, watch, enjoy, and let me know what you think. Starting off, I put 1 egg in one of these little containers that I think they used to be sold on television, and then I got like a set of 4 of these for $1 piece at the Dollar Tree years ago. So I just put 1 egg in there. That's 1 egg, and I broke the yolk, and then I'm gonna put that in the microwave for a minute, and that's all it takes. It's a little after 11. This is breakfast for me. So here's the egg, some cherry tomatoes from the garden, and a Sam's Choice cola. And then I'm also gonna have my daily vitamins, the chewy vitamins. That's like 15 calories for those. The cola is 150, and then the egg, I usually just round that up to be like 100 calories. These are the vitamins that I've been taking. I take Vitafusion Multivites because I am dieting, and I thought maybe I should supplement my nutrition a little bit. And then I started taking the glucosamine and chondroitin, but my joints are hurting pretty much worse than ever, so I don't think these are really helping. So once these are done, I'm probably not gonna buy these. I don't think these have any calories in them. No, they don't have any calories. But yeah, these are 15 calories. It's not focusing. These are 15 calories, yeah, for 2 of them, but I do prefer to use those anyway because I find it hard to swallow those huge vitamin pills, so it's worth it to me. It is about 3:30 now. It's time for my lunch, and I'm having about 3 ounces of rice and about 3 ounces of salmon, and I'm probably just going to drink some water with this. So I drank my last soda today, and I wanted something a little bit sweet and something a little bit more after dinner, so I made myself a cup of coffee. I do that a lot. That really helps with hunger and stuff like that. I use Coffee Mate powdered creamer. It's like 10 calories and a teaspoon, and then we use what is the name of it? Yeah, Folgers Black Silk Coffee. This is probably going to be all I have for dinner, but it is an apple crisp that I made from a recipe that I found on BettyCrocker.com, and then 2 scoops of ice cream. I had like 575 calories left, and it said that the apple crumble should be about 350, and then the ice cream, I'm thinking that's only like 150. So that is my dinner for tonight.